Hello, my wonderful friend. Today's video is on 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you. If you've been asking how to make a girl attracted to you, then this video is your answer. So get ready to be surprised by just how simple it is. Honestly, I think the last tip I have for you is the most important, so pay close attention to that. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Melannie. I'm a Christian dating coach for men and creator of the course, How to Get a Girlfriend. If you would like to get your dream girl the easiest and the fastest, be sure to check out that course. There's a link in the description below. Now, as I mentioned, the topic of this video is 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know that I do not teach you tricks. I teach you science. The reason I use the word tricks in this case, though, is that it kind of feels like a trick because it's so simple and so crazy effective. It's not a trick, it's based on science, it just works, but it's so crazy effective that it does kind of feel like a trick. The reason being, when you know the right things, when you know how to do it the right way, dating and relationships and attraction are really easy and are really simple. So does that make sense? That's kind of why I decided to use the word trick, even though it's a little uncharacteristic. The good news is it's way better than a trick because it's just based on science and totally works. With that, are you ready to get started? Number one is to do nice things for her. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking, oh, nice guys always finish last. That is actually not true. If that is something you have felt or experienced or been taught, you need to make sure you watch this video. It will help you understand why and what you can do to fix that. The truth is, if you want to get the girl, you need to stand out from the crowd. And one of the best ways to stand out from the crowd is to be nice to her, especially in a world where so many guys play aloof and hard to get and all that stuff. If, as humans, we like to be treated nice, right? That's attractive, especially because if you are trying to attract a Christian woman, she is ultimately looking for a husband. And so she's asking herself, would I want to spend my life with this man? And if he's kind, then the answer is a total yes. So just do nice things for her. Obviously, don't let her walk on you. That's toxic women do that. That's a whole nother story. We're not getting into that with this video. But doing nice things for a woman is one way to make her fall crazy in love with you, to stand out from the crowd and really just melt her heart. Just like you like it when people do nice things for you, she likes it when cute guys do nice things for her. Number two is to flirt with her. Flirting is one of the best skills you can learn. It makes dating so fun. Am I right? It makes it so much more enjoyable and more exciting. When you flirt, it makes her feel really good and really feminine and really attractive, which naturally attracts her to you more. Now, a lot of people actually feel really awkward or out of their element when it comes to flirting. And the reason is they simply haven't been taught how to flirt the right way. When you know the right way to flirt, flirting is super easy and super fun. So if you actually feel awkward flirting, that is actually something I cover with my course, so be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more about that. Number three is to look into her eyes. Seriously, there's so much research that shows and proves that there's something special about making eye contact with someone, and it builds the attraction dramatically. Seriously, if you want to, again, stand out from the crowd and really attract her, make eye contact. Look into her eyes. Number four might surprise you a little bit. It sounds kind of random, but it's crazy effective. Number four is to wear the color red. For whatever reason, women are really drawn to and attracted to men who wear red. Now, some of you are probably thinking, wait, what if I don't look good in red? This is something that everybody faces, okay? You are not the only one. Everyone, depending on your skin tone, etc., we all have certain shades that look good on us and certain shades that don't. For instance, I have one red shirt that I can put on and feel incredibly attractive in. I have another one that I bought online. I tried it on, I looked in the mirror and I was like, I look terrible. And I thought maybe it was just me, so I put it away for a few days, tried it on again later, and I was like, yeah, no, I still look terrible, so I gave the shirt away. Put the other red shirt on and bam, I feel super confident and attractive. So if you feel like maybe you don't look good in red, just try different shades of red. That is key. Number 5 is to be assertive. Would you like to wow her? If you would, then learn how to be assertive. That is how you stand out from the crowd. The truth is, someone who is assertive is very hard to find these days, but it is so powerful. That's why I stress it so much with my clients. If you want her to see you as masculine and attractive, if you want her to feel safe with you, make sure you are assertive. This will make her see you as a man, which is obviously what you want, right? But not only that, you will feel amazing, which you really deserve. Quick question before we move on to number 6. Would you like more videos with tips on how to get a girl to like you? If you would, be sure to comment yes in the comments below. And I wanted to mention real fast, if you haven't yet downloaded my guide, 17 Traits Christian Women Want Most in a Man, guys, you need to know what's in that guide. It's an incredible resource. Check out the link in the description below and I will send you this free guide. Number 6 is to ask her questions about herself. This sounds so simple, but it's insanely powerful, guys. This is a really good way to make her feel relaxed. When people ask us questions about ourselves, we know the answers to them, right? We just do. It also makes her feel important and needed. It makes her feel interesting, which we all want. We want to be with people who make us feel that way. So asking her questions about herself is an amazing tool, an amazing trick, if you will. Don't be afraid to ask questions that may feel a little bit random. As long as they're like lighthearted and fun, it's going to be really cute to her and really fun for her. Number 7 is to be charming. We have all heard of Prince Charming, right? Most girls grew up wanting her very own Prince Charming. That hasn't gone away. Even as an adult, deep down, she really still wants Prince Charming. Being a charming person is one of the best ways to be what I like to call attractive by default. It makes you a magnet for the type of woman you are wanting. When you are charming, your default setting is attractive. Number 8 is to have your own hobbies and interests. Boring people are boring. It makes sense, right? They're not interesting. They're not attractive. Someone, however, who has interests and who is driven and who has passions and who's adding to the world, that kind of person is fascinating. They are irresistible. People want to be around people like that. So making sure that you have interests and hobbies and things you are proactively doing, that is an amazing way to be incredibly attractive. To women in particular, this is a trait that is a deal breaker. It will make you unforgettable and totally irresistible. Number 9 is to show your interest. As women, we need to be pursued, period. End of discussion. I don't care what anybody says about the time and age we live in. Guys, God created women to have a need to be pursued. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, if you want to be her hero, if you want her to see you as a man, you need to man up and you need to pursue her. I have a lot of you ask, okay, how in the world do I pursue her? Because you need to make sure you do it the right way, otherwise it will not go well, right? That is something I cover in my course, How to Get a Girlfriend. Again, check out the link in the description below, guys. If you want her to see you as a man, you need to act like one. And one of the main ways you do that is by pursuing her. So show her that you are interested in her. Pursue her. That right there definitely sets you apart from the crowd and builds attraction like you would not believe. Now, this tip is maybe the most powerful and the most important, so make sure you pay close attention. Confidence. One of the best things you can do is to be confident. As a matter of fact, if you came to me and you said, okay, what is the one thing I can do that will help me get my dream girl the very quickest? I would walk you through how to become confident. This is why I actually spend so much time teaching about confidence and the easy ways to become confident in my course. Confidence is another trait that is attractive by default. Think about the people who you admire most and who you enjoy being with the most. They're probably confident people. As humans, we are just drawn to those people. And as a woman, when she meets a man who's confident, he's absolutely irresistible. He just is. Confidence is something every woman wants in her man. The good news is it actually doesn't have to be hard. Again, once you know the right things and you have the right strategy, it becomes very, very simple. So again, be sure to check out my course, How to Get a Girlfriend, through the link in the description below. The truth is, I used to really struggle with confidence, and as soon as I cracked the code, I had to share it with everyone because I know the pain of not feeling confident. So be sure to check out that link. Seriously, it is going to help you get the girl of your dreams so much faster. Thank you so much for watching, my amazing friend. If you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, be sure to do that now and ring the notification bell. I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you like more videos on how to get a girl to like you? If you would, be sure to comment yes. And as always, leave any suggestions for other videos you would like me to make in the future. Be sure to share this with a friend, guys. Sharing really is caring. And I'd love it if you shout it out on social media. If we're not yet friends on social media, we totally need to be, so check out the links for that in the description below as well. Thank you so much again for watching, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I don't think I am. So let's do this. Let's do this. I think I'm hyper today. That's not uncommon. If you want to get the girl of your dreams the fastest, the easiest, and the most enjoyably, that's not a word. Most enjoyably. I think we should make that a word. Comment and let me know if you think we should make that a word. Enjoyably. I guess it is a word, just not used in the right way. I don't know. Never mind. Okay, moving on. Enjoyably. Is that a word? I don't know.